Kevin Love will not play in tonight's game against the Hornets, and it turns out that when he left the game, it wasn't because of his tooth. It was because he was experiencing concussion-like symptoms after getting hit in the face. So now he's in the concussion protocol. So that means by a minimum, he has to miss at least 2 days, because the day that you enter, you can't do any basketball activities. And then the following day, you can't as well. So that's why he's out. And then for him to come back, he has to go through this step-by-step process of getting cleared for basketball activities. Obviously, this is bad timing for the Cavs because they just got Kevin Love back and now he's going to be missing. We don't know how long he's going to be missing for, but he's going to be gone for a little bit. And he's had a concussion in the past. When you've had one concussion, you're more susceptible to them in the future. It should be an interesting game tonight. The Hornets are actually playing good basketball. They're on a little bit of a win streak. Dwight Howard had a 32-point, 30-rebound performance. Kemba Walker's been dropping 40 plus. They're not eliminated from the playoffs. It's a long shot, but they're giving it a shot. They're not giving up. So they're trying, they're doing something. So they're going to be fired up. LeBron did not have his best game last night against the Heat. And when that happens, he usually bounces back with a nice performance in the following game. But at the same time, we know that the Cavs, their offense is trash when Kevin Love is not there. But maybe with Love not being there from the start, they already have a game plan and a mindset to deal with this without him being there. Because obviously when it happened in the middle of the game, it was probably a shock and a blow to the team mentally. Maybe they were thrown off a little bit. But tonight's game, either way, it should be a good one to watch. We'll see how long Kevin Love is going to be out for. I don't think he's going to miss the playoffs or anything like that, but it's unfortunate. Kevin Love can't catch a break. This league for a long time. I bought the penthouse in the neighborhood. It's 4 stories of glory, 4 stories of luxury. And I've got 2 girlfriends. Not 1, but 2. I'm like Lou Will. 1 slim, 1 thick. When you got a penthouse like